fantastic. Good. Street young girl. Just back. Okay, give it up for Dingan and the River School right now. Alright, without wasting time, let's do it. Okay, let's now go, you're the boss. Ladies and gentlemen, start the boogie here. The greatest female singer ever to grace the side of Jamaica. It's not other than Marcia Griffin. Give it up for Marcia Griffin. Give it up for Marcia Griffin. After Marcia Griffin, in the new generation, we have a lady who goes by the name of Keaton. Give it up for John. Alright now, here's the next female who's making her mark in the music industry. Don't stop it. All of the street man, them in the city around them. Let me see the light of them, because you know the man now pitching up on the body jar around here, you know. I want to them. Give me that. I got a big baller for you for the program. Looking at them first, go see them on the cooking now. We over China. Nobody will be now joking now. Execution get up on that bazaar. Where's that? 5 minutes extra. Brand new thing there, Tony. Don't dash it down there. I'm gonna see one new dance, see it? You're not easy to sing. Alright, big up for your kid now. Life is on the line. So love kill them any day of the week. Now they know that it's late. Before you try to diss on love, you should have found out who they are. Oh, sir! And to make this presentation, Jesus, do the honors. IKEA. Yeah, more flash, more flash. What the paparazzi flash, flash. Oliver flash. Go. Wonderful. Yeah. 30, it's strong. So, IKEA. Big up yourself, you know, baby. Yeah. You gonna say something, no? Yeah, man. You gonna say something more, so. Yeah, man, big up to Stone Love and Father Paul. Yeah, you know them man, they are general and them set the thing, right? What the real Stone Love from them day. Right? From 16 power bus to 16. But violate pound down the magazine. Tell us some boy check, don't try running. If you're this Stone Love, we use the 45 and clap him. Run the track. Never read what's in your magazine. Father tell him how the rich people. Tell me enough of them and them a lot no housing scheme. Same one from last we got just sling. Take too much life to live and know the tackle pain. I know the table and the chair turn for him. The truth and all the earth to me from him. He learned the hard way to listen to what his mama say. He learned the hard way, yeah. Tell him the price he pays. Hard way to listen to what his mama say. Yes, he learned the hard way. Take it down, take it, check it. 17 now she she just go out of school. She never listen when her mama set the rule. Every morning when me spring up on the job, when she come in and ride her like a yellow taxi cab. She catch a belly and her mom say you cannot stay. She contemplate herself for that she shy away. When she check the doc, she find out that she had been traveling around with the big letter A. Hard way to listen what his mama say. He let me hard and say, sing the one with me, right? The hard way to listen what his mama say. He let me hard way. Say it with a classy face. Love or no?
IKEA! Give it up for Lady IKEA! Oh, I'm telling you, support. You want to say something fast.
People just want to look good.
Play and ball, some never listen to the Dashana. Okay, pull up. Alright, here we go, people. When you're ready, feel the excitement there. We're going to check back some tune now. See? Pastor the taker. Here we go, the presentation of go on now. Can the media say them get the presentation? Magnum girl, come present it to the swag team right now.
On behalf of the Stone family, you don't know Randy Rich Repo, G for Slaughter, Bill Cosby, you don't know Fire Ass Diamond, Billy Slaughter, you don't know It's All Good, Scary Gary, you don't know SWAT team, to the world, you understand, big up on yourself.
SWAT team, take on a picture. Yeah, swag. Swag, watch your signature, I want to say better signature. What is right now, you see we reach a part of we know ourselves.
Before we move it to our next level,
Father Paul.
Easy. You know, we're not going to draw that thing, you know. Each and every year people complain about this thing. So we're not going to draw that thing. But I couldn't go from here tonight without bringing on stage none other than my parishioner from Manchester, Cargo, right backstage right now to show the world that you has received the award of being the new male vocalist of the year. Cargo, we know why you sing, because we know so your throat not good. Yeah.
Cargo.
Come up, Cargo. Your host like anything. Ladies and gentlemen, Cargo is sitting.
Stone, say you know sell out your friend them. No I got this you friend them. These Stone love for life. Oh, a friend for life. Understand me, I said big up Stone up because guess what? A couple years ago, you understand? Nobody else we don't even get the song for play on Stone up sound, you understand? And now see how they give me a trophy for best male artist, vocalist, you understand? Vocalist, you understand? So we have to say, yo, big up to the most and big up Jamaica, big up all of my fans. And Portmore, a friend for life. You're from the morning from a bad life, I support them. Oh, a friend for life. We say, rock your love, say you don't sell out your friend. Nobody is your friend. Second shot. Don't know some of us now, but we have a just guest. Big up. Split personality. Big up yourself, Daniel. You understand? You have it? Breezy. Portmore. So we now sell out my friend. Them one night and said it's sad. Or if them are premature, they won't sell the name. Or if them street around, only just feel it fine. It breaks me heart so low. So now, yeah, Mr. Doja, you don't make friend to me like how you got it. Right without it and turn it. Leave a people that try to come and turn it. From them we don't want to split down a crown. When we see our friend to told you, oh, he ain't even a just no. No celebrate me a papa. Me love her now. Get up a couple people. Stone of 30th anniversary, you understand? I don't know what's up.
Hold on, Cargo, collect it. Your award, Cargo.
You want?
Collect your award.
Trophy. You understand?
Media, camera, flash. Media, flash.
Cargo.
Yeah.
Right now, before we go in.
Yo, when in my beat it, 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 put it up on the board, because I want to feel it. When in my beat it, 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 put it up on the board. Yo, I'm a dead dog of the time. I'm my party, I'm nice. Carry the check out my new thing in the streets. Ready? This a bad girl DI.
Stone Love. Right now. Now you see that girl there right now. Stone of 30th anniversary now. Now we send the first artist and
Welcome female.
we're gonna bust that girl there tonight.
Yeah.
You understand? True Diva.
True Diva.
I'm cheering no man, them not kill less, I tell them not kill now. So anyway, True Diva. Stone of 30.
Divas out here. I represent everybody. All the divas. Of all the divas. Get ready. I'm about to get clean. I'm ready for the spotlight. I want you to see what's got it. I'm ready, are you ready for the spotlight? If you're gonna do it.
Secret for you. Let me see you put up your gun and so you're lighter than down.
Let me tell you why Mr. Big Yard.
Hold on. Remember the party here? Miami link up, you understand? We don't know Circle THQ, 52 don't not know, Avenue, don't know some other numbers. Store of China Day, Liberty, Richmond and China. You know some other numbers, so you know what I'm about. And so, let's start about to something.
Yeah man, big up for those in the house. The 25th anniversary Liberty headquarters at Miami Link Up. Christmas Day. I may have 2 tickets I give it all courtesy of Father Dozer. No want 2 girls who don't want to look good, come step forward and get one of them tickets there.
2 girls.
What's the name, honey? What's the name? You know, stay on it, don't it?
Yeah.
Thanks. A girl who have more than 1 man, step forward. And Father Power give a $30,000 cash. Any girl can come up here and say them take the most money in the area. Call them and name talk which part they get it. Come baby, come. Sit down.
Come on. Oh, see a girl.
Where is it, Lord? Big up Sister Sarah from England. What you name, darling?
Take people, man.
You want there?
Yeah.
Who's parking there?
One of the entrance.
Why are you fool to man thing, you know? No, how much bed you have in your house?
3.
I've got 3 different men that take your night and talk up. I have the 2 road wall.
Yeah.
Talk up, baby. Hold up your alarm.
Yeah.
What is?
Don't forget.
I'll call this Miami Link Up.
Don't forget the 25th also, Renegade and Bush.
What up?
And then it's all about Liverpool party, you understand?
Yeah, ready.